Hello, my name is BoBo. Today, I'm going to tell you a story full of valuable lessons and important morals. Our story today is The Clockmaker's Apprentice and the Stopped Town. The town that slept. In the town of Tick-Tockton, every clock, every bell, and every person moved in perfect harmony, all thanks to the magnificent central clock tower built by the old clockmaker, Master Pendulum. But one morning, a deep silence fell. The great clock had stopped. The town froze. Bakers held half-iced cakes, children were stuck mid-skip, and conversations hung unfinished in the air. Only Master Pendulum and his impatient young apprentice, Ticker, were unaffected. "Quickly, Ticker," said the old clockmaker, "we must find the problem." But Ticker, who always rushed, was already scrambling up the tower's stairs. Rushing to fix things. Inside the clock tower, gears and cogs as big as wagon wheels stood silent. Ticker, without looking, immediately started poking and prodding. It must be this big gear. Or maybe this spring. He tried to force a gear to turn, but it groaned and resisted. He oiled a lever that didn't need it, making a slippery mess. Master Pendulum watched calmly. "Ticker," he said softly, "a clock is a conversation between parts. You must listen before you speak." But Ticker was too busy rushing to hear. The broken spring and a bigger problem. In his haste, Ticker leaned on a small, delicate component. There was a sharp ping. A tiny, essential spring flew out and vanished into the shadows. Ticker gasped. Now he had made things worse. He searched frantically, but his rushing only kicked up dust, making it harder to see. Overwhelmed, he sat down, on the verge of tears. Master Pendulum knelt beside him. "The first tool a clockmaker needs," he said, "is not a wrench, but a calm breath. Let's look together." Listening to the silence. Taking a deep breath, Ticker tried to be still. Master Pendulum taught him to trace the power from the main weight, through each gear, one by one. They listened to the silence, feeling for resistance. Finally, they found the real problem, not a broken part, but a single, stubborn pebble lodged deep within the mechanism, stopping a critical gear. It required patience and a steady hand to remove it. Then, together, they found the lost spring and carefully put it back in its place. The rhythm returns. With the pedal removed and the spring replaced, Master Pendulum gave the great pendulum a gentle push. It swung. Then, with a deep, resonant clunk, the largest gear turned. One by one, the whole system shuddered back to life. Tick, tock, tick, tock. The sound echoed through the town. Below, the frozen people blinked and continued their day, unaware of the drama in the tower. Ticker learned that fixing things isn't about speed. It's about understanding how they work, which requires patience and careful observation. Today's lesson is, patience, perseverance, and careful observation are more valuable than rushing to a quick fix. Make sure to subscribe to BoBo Kids TV to get the latest stories and lessons.